Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be studying methods of section, in which we have given a truss here and we have to find f CD equals question mark. That we have to find out. Now, first of all, uh, like we proceeded in method of joints, we will not proceed like that. In method of joints, we calculated the uh, analyze the points E, then H, then D, like that. But in this method of sections, we make a cut through the truss like this and analyze this portion only. So we will do first of all we will calculate the summation of moment about A equals to 0. Summation of moment about A equals to 0. So we have summation of moment of about A equals to 0. We have minus 6000 into 3 minus 6000 into 3. This force is minus because it is a clockwise moment. Then 6000 into 9. Then we have 6000 into 9 minus 6000 into 9 minus 6000 into 6. This is 6 and this is 9, and we have a plus of Fe cross 12. We have a force of Fe. It is in anti-clockwise sense, like we can see here. It is outside a plane of paper, so it is plus. From this equation, we can calculate Fe. So Fe value is equal to, this implies Fe value equals 9000 newtons. This equation will solve as 9000 newtons. Now we have found Fe. Now we will make a section through this. We know this Fe equals to 9000 newtons. So now we will make a section through CD and GH and DC that I have made here, and then we will now find the moment about G. So we have summation of moment about G is equal to 0. Summation of moment about G equals to 0, which is equals to Fe cross, this is 3, this is 3, 6. Fe is 9000 newtons. 9000 cross 6. Then we have a force here 6000. This is in clockwise sense. So minus 6000 cross 3. And we have the force FCD. and this value is 4. This was given as 4. So FCD, this is in clockwise sense, so negative. This is in positive sense because it is in anti-clockwise sense. FCD cross 4. This will imply, this will solve as FCD equals minus 9,000 newtons. So this is negative. FCD is coming negative. Negative means that it is not in the direction as we had assumed. So FCD is not in this direction. It is in this direction. So it is, FCD is pushing on both ends. That means that FCD is equals to FCD equals to 9,000 newtons, and if this is pushing outwards like this. So that is, it is in compression. The member is in compression. Yes. So this is the value that we needed. So you can have a look at the board. So these two equations will solve as this answers will come. You can solve it in calculator. So that was all for today, guys. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it among your friends. Thank you.